Доведох чужденци на Белоградчик и сега ще летим с балон. Много бързо се изкачваме.
С коса от вятър плисната.
Олса, it's not scary.
И сърце цветя. Чао! Идвам аз към теб, не знай.
It's really amazing. No words, honestly.
I've never been on such thing.
В момента летим над белоградчишките скали, които са били тук дъно на море преди 220 милиона години.
That's 1 kilometer. Look how tall 1 kilometer is. We're taller than any tower you can get on.
It's truly an unforgettable experience seeing everything from this perspective. You don't really get, you always like take pictures of that plane when but like you're just there for 30 minutes and you're just taking it all. It's a magical experience. It's a magical experience.